Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dark mode and eye comfort shield on Samsung Galaxy A57. Swipe down the control center and tap the gear icon to open settings. Here in settings we're gonna have to go to display menu where we can select the dark mode and start using it. If you don't want to use it right away, you can schedule it instead by going to dark mode settings and enable turn on as scheduled. The default value for dark mode will be sunset to sunrise, so it turns on sunset and turns off at sunrise. But we can also set a custom schedule and select custom time values both for the start and the end. But I would actually like to use it right now. Then to enable eye comfort shield, we can also manually switch this toggle, or if you want to, you can okay, I'm sorry, we cannot schedule it. We can also only set, oh no, we actually can, we can schedule it, but to do that we have to select custom and then select set schedule, and then we can select sunset to sunrise and adjust color temperature to our own preference. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.